Good evening, students. Sir will join in another 3 minutes, and we are still waiting for other participants as well. So yesterday the count was around 220 or 230. So still participants are joining. So we are waiting for them also. Let us wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then Kasu sir will start the session.
A very good evening to one and all present over here, students. I hope everybody has joined. I was just waiting for a few more participants to join, and I think I have got all the regular students of. I have Atika, Anupam, Ashvi, Drishti, Arnav, Venkat, Saisha, and where is the first favorite? Like Nikita kahan gayi? I can see Nikita. I can see Priyal. That's great. I can see Arav as well. That's fantastic. Advita, Shomil, Mudit, Divisha. That's great. Everybody has almost joined. Shuparno, then Arav, then Divyanshi. There are so many Arav. Arsh, Ayush, Isha, Libha, Dishant, almost everyone. Vihan, Divyanshi, Dhiran. Good to see you. Navya, Nanika, Shambhavi, Bindya. Okay, Atish, that's great. Sahasra. No, Sahasra. Okay, let's quickly start with the session today. And you know what? Today is the last day. So today is the last day of Code India Code Season 4, like 2023. And today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence to quite a large extent. We'll be discussing about multiple aspects of artificial intelligence. But one thing that's going to be really outstanding is today we will be talking about something related to your career. What we will do is we'll be measuring everybody's CQ. Now, do you know what you mean by CQ? CQ. You would have heard about IQ. Yes, intelligent questions. There is something called as EQ. There's something called as EQ, which is called as emotional quotient. Okay, these two are very common. You will get to see a lot of questions related to IQ and CQ, but very rarely you will actually find something called as CQ. You will not find anywhere except with me, and this is called as coding quotient. And coding quotient will tell you if Shania is going to become the game developer, if Anaika is going to become a data scientist, if Vedant is going to become an artificial intelligent developer, or anybody for any profession. But you need to give one small exam for that. Exam se tumhe डर लगता है? अरे यार, not again once more. It's not going to be like that. This exam is going to be quite interesting, and I'll be sending a link right after the session on your mail IDs. It's compulsory for all the students to attend it. And once you attend it, you'll get a great insights about what you are specialized in, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. Generally, this particular exam costs a certain amount, but today, as you are all part of Code India Code, this will be completely free of cost. I would ensure everybody attends it, and at the same time I'll submit a separate report, and this particular report will come to your mail ID, which will give you proper insights about your career perspectives. Like you will become a game developer, you will become an AI model developer, you can become an app developer, whatever it could be, or a graphic designer. What else? Or something related to software developer. Who knows? Let us see what these things are, and I'll give you proper examples right after writing that exam. I hope everybody got an idea. Okay, let's quickly begin with today's session. And today we are going to talk about more AI tools. And how many of you know Google Teachable Machine? Everybody knows Google Teachable Machine, right? You would have done it from the first day. Everybody remembers imaginary soundscape. Yeah, you would have. Okay, let me enable the chat for all of you, then we can talk on the chat as well. Okay, soundscape, imaginary soundscape. Yes, most of you know that. Okay, that's great. Do you know that you can talk and type just like the way you speak? Do you know that how to do that? Okay, everybody's there. Yes, yes, yes. We can do it on Google Documents, we can do it on Microsoft Word, we can do it on multiple platforms. But the best part is, whatever you speak in whichever language you want, it will just type. And this option is present on your Google keyboard, even on your mobile phone. So suppose if you want to do this on your mobile phone, on your WhatsApp, when you open the keyboard, on the right side corner, you will have a mic button. Just press that mic and start speaking. Automatically, things will get typed over here. It's an interesting tool. You have to watch that. Okay. Now, so after completing all these things, yesterday we were discussing. Um, okay. So yesterday we were discussing a lot of websites. Okay. But today we're going to talk about more websites. Uh, this particular thing with respect to artificial intelligence can be divided into multiple areas. We were talking that AI can be divided into three major areas. What are the three areas you remember? No, no. Okay, sometimes very useless. I understand. The first one is called as artificial intelligence, computer vision. Computer vision means everything that has got to do with you know the visual appearance of us. For example, You remember we played one game called a Scroobly.com yesterday. Let me quickly show you. Some of you might know about it. Some of you are not knowing. And for that, I need to share my screen. I go to my screen. I go over here. I click on this. I come to the browser. After coming to the browser, I type Scroobly, not Scroobly, Scroobly.com. Something like that. And the moment I do it, this is how it gets visualized. And I have to turn off the camera on my Zoom chat, or oh, sorry, on the Zoom platform. And I need to click next, next, next. Okay. Okay. Clear all the drawings. The camera is getting ready. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Am I ready? Am I ready? Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, my computer's kind of slow, but it can still work. Let's okay, we saw voice assistant also. Games through coding, you're absolutely right. Okay, here we go. Let me, in the meanwhile, check it on my mobile phone as well. Okay, my camera is not turning on. Why? Hurry up. Okay, let's go with this. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we are. So the moment I change wherever I go, this is how it helps me travel along with me. Now, this particular thing was called as face recognition or image recognition. Okay, I don't have to open my photo. I just have to enable the background over here. Now, this particular ability of the computer or the AI to understand where my face is more from computer vision. The computer is able to understand where my face is and it's coming. So that's why this is called as computer vision, completely image related. At the same time, suppose if I go to Google Documents and type something, so something like this. Yesterday we were doing this by going to docs.google.com, and I go to one of the documents. I click on the mic button and I keep speaking on it. And when I do that, it automatically start typing, right? Now, this particular ability of the computer to understand the words, the second category of AI, it's called as natural language processing. I think there's some disturbance. Here it is. So I click on tools and there is an option called as voice typing, and I click on the mic. Right after I click on the mic, whatever I speak, it gets typed over there, full stop, including the punctuation marks. But the best part is, whenever a computer is able to recognize the words spoken, the language spoken, based on that, if the typing happens, then it's called as artificially intelligent, right? And it comes under the category of natural language processing. Let me try talking in Hindi by being in English language. I do not know if you tried this. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं अभी, तो क्या सारी अक्षरें हिंदी में बदल जाएंगी? नहीं, सारा तो इंग्लिश में टाइप हो रहा है, पर हो रहा है. That's great, right? So this is with respect to natural language processing. Now we saw the Scroobly.com, which is actually the computer vision. The second one is natural language processing on various language. The third category and the last and the most important is called as data. What is it called as? Data. It's called as data. So data is going to be all about information or nerve. Information. For example, I get lot of photos, and based on that, if I'm able to think something, then it's called as information. Can you name me one website which we did, which was completely dependent on data information? Let me share my screen. You try to name it on the chat. I'll follow up on chat. Rock paper scissors. Very good. That was a good example. Apart from that, we did something very interesting. Let me go over here. And that particular platform is called as Quick Draw. Absolutely, Quick Draw. So in Quick Draw, when I click on Let's Draw, and we were able to draw a lot of things, we were able to click on a certain point called as data. Let me directly go there. I'm not drawing anything. I'm just skipping everything. So that's to save the time. And we can go to that section where data is present. And data means lots and lots of examples. Auto draw also works on data only. And this particular data is important for both the computer vision and natural language processing. Okay, this is the eraser I need to draw.
C line.
Okay,
Or arrow.
come on.
Or seesaw. Oh, I know. It's eraser.
Okay, the only thing. So here I have the data. The moment I click on data, you'll be able to see all these examples. So the more the data, better is the understanding of the computer. So sandwich hai, spreadsheet hai, spoon hai, spider hai, blah, blah, blah. All these things are. Let us see how spider is being drawn by people across the globe. I click on spider and you'll be able to see 1,87,865 spiders. Oh my dear goodness. ये spider थोड़ी लग रहा है तो tortoise लग रहा है. I don't know. Okay, this is also like spider. How does the computer look at this and understand this? That's great. Okay, this is also looking like a crab. I'm not sure, like, but fine. They've done a good job. Everybody's done a good job. This looks like an ant with 8 legs. No, 6 legs. Okay, fine. Okay, and here in this case, we are working on this particular called as data. And for that, I need to share my screen once more and show you one amazing video with respect to data. Let me share that over here in the form of a YouTube video. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to work on my internet. It's becoming a little slow, but I will not allow that to happen. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, here we are. So I'm going over here and you'll be surprised how the companies are working. Yesterday also we saw some videos. I hope everybody remembers on Google Duplex. You'll have another person, another Dwit, another Arav, something like that. Okay. Don't give up on me. Hurry up, hurry up. Children are waiting. So students, with respect to artificial intelligence, there are a lot of platforms that we've been working on. And I would request everybody to start using them and know about how to create all these things, because from creating perspective, you can make whatever you want in the future. So imagine and try to do something. I am going to give one very good example of few students who made an amazing AI bot. Now, what do you mean by AI bot? I'll talk about that as well a little later. But I wanted to watch this video for a few seconds. Let's see that. Okay, here we go. Computer is not smart. Okay, Ashik. Okay. Computer is not smart. We have to make, see, non-living thing cannot be smart. We need to make it smart. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Computer is slow. Yeah, that's a good way of saying it. But this cannot become slow at the last moment like this. It's very bad. Okay, fine. Let it get loaded. And in the meanwhile, let me show you something else. Humans are smarter, Ashwi, you're right. So the program that was made, sir, can you say is the easy method for the voice types? Wherever you will have a mic, their voice typing is possible. Whichever app you want, it's already present. So I was talking about some group of students making their own app, which is related to artificial intelligence. And that particular app is actually called as Chat GPT. Do you know about it? Chat GPT, exactly. Now, Chat GPT, some students know about it, some students do not know about it. Don't worry about it. I am going to help you open that right away. Okay. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay, here we go. So Chat GPT is all about open artificial intelligence. Don't worry about what's open artificial intelligence and all. Open AI, it is called as. Now, this particular program that's present out there is something related to AI, where you can talk to another human being on a digital platform. where you can talk to AI, a human being on a digital platform. For example, this is how it gets opened up, open AI. And on the left side, you'll have this option for trying this. See, try ChatGPT. The moment I click on that, it gets opened up. Okay. Now, once it gets opened up, let us see how it gets opened up. In the meanwhile, let me check if this is getting opened up. Okay, so chat.openai.com, if this is the right place. And here the best part is you can ask anything to ChatGPT engine and it will start responding to you. And the response is so amazing that you can ask anything. So for example, let's understand, Drishita got a question from the teacher: write a story about the lion and the mouse. So all you have to do is you need to come here and click over here and write the same question as your teacher has given. Okay, don't get loaded. Yahan par hai. So write a story on, I type over here, story on, watch this amazing lion and the rat. Lion and the rat. I don't know. I'm just randomly typing something. I put enter. Now ChatGPT is thinking. And it started responding. Once upon a time in a dense jungle, there lived a powerful lion named Leo. He was feared by all the animals in the jungle and no one dared to challenge him. One day, while Leo was taking a nap in the shade of a tree, a tiny rat came scurrying by. The rat, who was in a hurry, accidentally stepped on Leo's tail, causing the lion to wake up with a start. Okay, so days passed and okay, that's great. You can see that the complete story is getting built by AI. And this particular thing, I think this is a very common story, and the AI is taking it from somewhere and it's making it by itself. You ask for anything you want. So for example, write a letter, write an apology letter or a sorry letter for not completing the homework, for not completing the homework. Okay, now let's see what it does. Dear teacher's name, I'm writing to apologize for not completing my homework that was assigned on. Okay, I understand this is a serious matter and I take full responsibility of my actions. Blah blah blah. This is like Arnav writing to the teacher or Dhruti writing to the teacher. When you write says, okay, you don't have to write it. It like this is how it gets automatically typed. This is amazing, right? Let us ask one more question. If anybody has any question in your mind to be asked to chat GPT, you can put it on the chat. Anybody, any particular question you want to know? Only one question I'll select. Let's see. I can even ask Advit. Yeah, I think we can definitely ask that question. Can you fart? I don't know. It'll say that I'm a computer program and do not have physical body, so I do not have the ability to fart. I'm designed to process text input and generate text output to answer question. See, it has become very intelligent out there. I hope you're getting the answer. Can we make, listen, can you sleep? Let's ask, can you sleep? I don't think so. I can ask, are you noob? Okay, I'm a computer program, do not have the ability to sleep. That's great. Okay, one more question. Are you could have asked so nice questions. These are very simple questions. Okay, I'm constantly being updated, improve my knowledge based on the information fed to me during my training. However, it is possible that there might be certain questions that I cannot answer. So he's saying that I'm not noob, but at the same time, I could be noob at times. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Let's like we can ask this question. Do you know the mail ID of Narendra Modi? Okay, let's write Shri Narendra Modi. We need to respect the position. And here we go. I do not have the personal email address of Shri. The current and 14th Prime Minister of India. It is unlikely for him to share his personal email address to the public. Okay, that's great. This is simple. We are able to understand. Okay, we can do this. We can ask any question, and I want everybody to try this platform called as chat gpt. Ask your parents also to ask any question you want. It can be even tougher. Shanaya, are you smarter than Alexa? Okay, I'll ask just that last question. Are you smarter than Alexa? Alexa is also another AI bot. Okay, here we go. Okay, generate text. While Alexa is a virtual assistant that is designed to respond to voice commands and perform variety of. Both of us have our own strengths and limitations. While Alexa can perform tasks such as playing music or some reminders. Okay, I've been trained on a large corpus of text. So this is more of natural language programming. Okay, that's great. They've given a good response. I really like this session. I hope you got an understanding with what is chat gpt. It's like if you are free, you can talk to it. One last question: can you track IP address? I think it can. I'm not sure. No, it cannot track IP address. It's trained to process generate text based on the input provided to it. Okay, that's it. So we will stop with chat gpt, and I'll stop share the screen like this. There are so many portals which are related to artificial intelligence, which you can start exploring one by one. Now for a moment, for a change, let me show this video. I hope it got loaded. Yes, I'm going to show you some multiple videos. Uh, I would request all the parents and the students to watch this series. I do not know how many of you watch this series, but the Age of AI. There is something called as Age of AI, and that particular series is there on internet. It has got some 8 to 10 episodes, multiple seasons. But as of now, watch this: how AI is playing in our life. Okay. Okay. XRX, right? I'm sharing my screen and watch this. I hope this found is shared. Okay. Was Amazon Go, and this is present in various countries actually, and even in India. Now, this particular thing is so amazing that you just have to get inside the store, grab the best things that you like, your dairy milks or your Cadbury's, or you go to take the stationeries, the colors and the paints, and you can just go out of the shop without paying to anyone. So you don't have to stand in the line for a long time and just wait for the payment to happen. It will get automatically deducted from your Amazon Pay account. I hope you know about what Amazon Pay is all about. I think it's a separate payment channel. I think your parents might know about it. If you're not aware of it, I would request you to please talk to your parents. It's present in Mumbai as of now, and even in Delhi. But it's not in complete functionality. You might not find a lot of things over there, but to quite a certain extent, a lot of information is there. I mean, at least to understand, few nuances about how it all works, you can definitely get in over here. Chalo, let's go to the next portal, and that was Amazon Go. It works because of the sensor fusion technology. It's really important to understand sensor fusion. Sensor fusion means multiple sensors put together working with us. For example, you've got eyes, nose, skin, mouth. Is it like I feel like deactivating my eyes and I will not use my eyes? ऐसा कभी होता है? I'll feel like deactivating my ears. I don't want to use it. बाद में मैं फिर से ना plug लगा के चालू कर दूंगा. That doesn't work, right? All of your sensors fuse together to come up with an output. So this particular ability of human beings to have multiple sensors working together is called as synchronization basically, or sensor fusion in robotics terminologies. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to open one of our favorites platforms, and that is called as Google Teachable Machine, in which I'll be showing you how to use a program or how to make a program from Google Teachable Machine onto Scratch. Today, let us make 1 or 2 programs on that and let us see how it functions. Okay, here we go. And with artificial intelligence, there's going to be another amazing update, and that is called as virtual reality, which we will be seeing right after this particular video. Where am I? Where am I? Here we are. Let me share my screen. And here we go. So I go to the browser, I click here, I come to this particular area, and I type Google Teachable Machine. So we are going to make a program in such a way that whenever I show my right hand, the sprite that's present should go right. Whenever I show my left hand, the sprite that's present should go left. Is it possible? Let's try. Let's try. So I click on Teachable Machine with google.com. This is how it gets opened up. Come on, get opened up faster. And I'm also wanting to have Google Teachable Machine with Scratch. Okay, this is how it should look like. And this Scratch is called as Raise AI, R-A-I-S-E, Raise AI. Okay, Raise AI Playground, and I open it up. It's all open source. Anybody can use it free of cost. Students, if anybody's interested to work on coding classes, you can please book a demo class from my website. But as of now, let's create the teachable machine model. I click on Get Started, and right after that, this is how it gets loaded up. Let me close the unwanted tabs. It's slowing down the computer. Okay. Okay, I click on image project, I click on standard image model, and in the meanwhile, Raise AI is also getting opened up. So you need to go to Google Teachable Machine first, and you need to create a model. So I'm going to write move right. Okay, I click on webcam. Okay, and the moment I click on webcam, okay, I need to turn off this. I click on webcam. Okay, I need to refresh the page. Refresh. Here I am. So now move right ke liye I need to raise the right hand, right? So I come back and yeah, this is it. Agar मैं right hand raise karunga, तो I need to click on hold to record. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right hand is raised. 25 image. Move left. Move left. And I go over here. I click on the webcam and I do this. 1, 2, 3. 30 samples done. Okay, so let's just work with right and left as of now. Follow the procedure. If you're not able to understand, make a note of it. You should be able to do this program right after this. So right hand and left hand we have done, and now I click on train model. The moment I click on train model, children, okay, 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 it's getting trained. It's getting trained. Now, once the training is done, let us check if the model is properly working or not. I saw one guy actually. There was this game called as Asphalt. I don't know if you know about it. Asphalt is a mobile game, and the cars were actually turned by his actions and gestures. Do you know such things happen? Like all he was doing is moving towards right, and the car was moving right. He was going towards left, and the car was also going towards left. And this was possible only through such kind of a platform called as Google Teachable Machine. Let's see how it works. I'm going to make it in front of you right now. Let us see how it works, and then we'll decide if this is practically possible or not. So training the model is almost ready. Advait, it's very simple. You need to go to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com beta. And after that, you will have this option called as get started. And you need to click on image model. And this is how the screen gets opened. And now you can see that move right, move left, it is getting confused. Both the options are present. I raise my right hand and it says that it's move right, 99%, 97%. I raise my left hand and it says move left, 100%. Wow. Right hand, 100%. Left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand. Perfect. So it's actually working. It's actually working, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to, okay, please tell again. Advait, beta, it's very simple. Go to teachablemachine.com or teachablemachine.withgoogle.com, and there'll be an option called as get started. Click on get started and select image model. When you do that, this is how it gets opened up. Now I'm going to turn off the input and click on export model. The moment I click on export model, this is a very important point. Everybody watch this very carefully. I want to use this model on Scratch. So I am actually exporting this model somewhere so that I can use it anywhere in the future. Now, when I say somewhere, use it anywhere in the future, I'll tell you how it is done. So I'm going to click on upload my model. Okay. This is just like whenever you want to, say, for example, you want to watch a movie. Okay. Now this movie is present in your hard disk, and let's name this movie to be Avatar. Now Avatar movie, you have it on your laptop and you want to watch this movie. So whenever you want to watch this movie, what you do, you open your laptop, you go to the place where Avatar is present, and then you start using it, right? But suppose you're going to your native place and you cannot carry your laptop. Then your parents suggest you that rather than carrying the laptop, let us copy Avatar movie on your pen drive and let us use this pen drive wherever we want. Exactly according to that, whenever I click on upload my model, the machine learning model, it gets stored in a pen drive sort of a thing, which is completely virtual. I mean, it's just there. Kahin to hai. You don't have to be worried about where it is present, but kahin to hai. And when I want to use it again, this is the link through which I can use. I hope everybody's able to see this. teachablemachine.withgoogle.com और यहाँ पर इसे copy करना है हमें. Now, once I copy this, I go to my next website called as media.mit.edu. So for that, to come to this particular website, you need to type Google Teachable Machine with Scratch. Do not open your normal Scratch, you will not be able to find it. So you need to open Google Teachable Machine with Scratch. And right after that, below you will have this option of Raise AI Playground MIT Media Lab. And when you click on that, this is how it gets opened up. And when you come down, there are a lot of options. Don't get confused. Let us go with only one simple option called as Teachable Machine, which will be present in the second area. I click on English. I click on English. Okay, now playing in theaters. Yeah. Some students are asking to repeat again. Yes, I will definitely repeat it, beta. Don't worry. I'm just going at a certain speed right now, and I'll be repeating all of these things. Image model will also be there, beta. Please check that, Navya. Okay, now here we come. So once I open Scratch, which is from MIT Media Lab, I go to extensions over here. And when I click on extension, so extensions is at the bottommost corner, left corner. The moment I click on that, I click on Teachable Machine. I click on Teachable Machine. I click on extensions. There'll be a lot of options. I click on Teachable Machine. And after clicking on Teachable Machine, see, I am already there inside the screen. Now I have this option of use model paste URL here. You remember we copied this link from here. See, यहाँ से copy किया था. I'm going here and I'm going to paste that over here by right click and paste. The moment I do that, I click on this use model, and you'll be able to see that this exclamation mark is going to become a tick mark. Come on. ये तो मेरा इज्जत निकाल रहा है. Oh yes, it's done. Perfect. So this model I'm going to drag and drop and keep it outside. So what I'm going to do is on clicking flag. So I go to the program where we have the control option or events option. Basically, when flag is clicked, use this model. When flag is clicked, use this model. And under Teachable Machine, you'll be able to see that when model prediction is move right, move left. So I'm going to go to control, and there is this option called as if. So what we're going to do is whenever I raise my right hand, automatically the scratch or the sprite should go towards right. That is our program, right? So let us build that program. I bring if over here. I just keep it over here. And right after that, I go to Teachable Machine, and I'm asking the question, when or if the model detects right, then what it is supposed to do? It is supposed to move towards the right side. So I go to motion and I ask it to move 10 steps. Okay. So whenever I detect right, it should go 10 steps towards the right. Let us see if this is working or not. Only this much. I bring an element called as forever. If you're not able to understand this particular part, don't worry about it. See, it's going to right. Kidhar gaya. Okay, let me duplicate it and let's come up with another. When model is on the left, move 10 steps. I will put minus 10 steps. Minus 10 means reverse. Is it coming back? Is it coming back? Oh, it's coming back. Look at that. Okay. Right. Right. Aa gaya. Anaika. Left. Right. Come, 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 come. Okay. It's like a pet dog coming to me. Okay. It's getting confused. And I press left. Okay. That's great. So without the buttons, I am able to control the sprites. Come on. I think I need to give more examples for it to understand right. Right, thoda sa uska difficult ho raha hai. I hope everybody is able to understand this. It's quite simple. All I have to do is I just need to bring a flag clicked, use the model, and I need to use if command. If prediction is right, then move 10 steps. If prediction is wrong, so move minus 10 steps. Now what we can do is, can somebody tell me another? If I keep my hands like this, let it go up. Okay, cross hands, it has to go up. And when nothing is present like this, it has to come down. Is it fine? No? Yes? Okay, let's try this. But for this to work, I need to change the model. And model change karne ke liye, I need to go back to, where is this? Where is this? I need to go back to teachable machine. And wahan par jaake, let me turn off the video for a moment and go to teachable machine. And I'm going here and I am coming here. Arnav, I hope you're able to understand. Shanaya, I click on add a class over here and yahan pe move up. Chalo, move up ke liye turn on the webcam. And when I turn on the webcam, I come inside. I'm going to keep it like this. Arey, magar aise karunga to how will I hold to record? I need to use my, okay, I'll do something. I'll just keep my hands like this. Okay, something like this. So it has to move up. Okay. Okay, I'm giving more examples. Move up. I again add a class and let's see, move down, and I click on webcam and I'll do this. Okay. And let's see if I hold to record what happens. Done, done, done. Now we click on train model once more. The moment I click on train model, the model is getting trained again from the beginning. Advait, Dishant, once the model gets trained completely, now the best part is the preview, it will come. Let us check if it's working properly or not. And this will be our last program. Let us see how it functions. I hope everybody will be able to do this. Abhash, Amaira, Arsh, if anybody is interested in making AI program, this is the place where you need to start from. And here in this case, you can see that the model is getting trained aram se because it has got a lot of options. Ayan, Arya, okay, Advik, that's great. Arnav Jha, okay, that's a good name. Bindya, Debadrita, you've been regular all the days. Okay, here we are. So now I'm going to turn on the input. Watch this, students, watch this very carefully. So now I'm present here and you can see that it's saying move right, move left, move up, move down. I am going to show my right and it says move right. Perfect, perfect. I am going to move my left. Okay, it says move left. Now comes the interesting part. I keep my hands over here. It says move down. Come on, come on, come on. I keep my hands over here. It says move up. Nahi? Yes, but it is getting confused. Why is it getting confused? Perfect. Ho raha hai? Okay. Ho raha hai? Okay, we have given some examples. Now let us try this. I click on export model once more. And I click on update my cloud model this time. I click on update my cloud model. So my link will remain the same. Okay, let's see if it is uploading or not. Abhash is watching this. Ananya is also watching this. Okay, everybody's watching this. Now, once this gets updated, and then let us see what happens. I go to uploading. It's a simple program, but you can make it complicated, right after some time. It's quite easy in that regard. Okay, model is updated. That's great. I'm going to copy the link, but anyways, I don't have to do it multiple times because it's already done. And here I need to turn off the input. I go to raise.ai. Now here in this case, I'm going to, do we have this? Okay, I come over here and I refresh this. If I refresh this, I'm just getting move right and left. I paste this Okay. I hope it gets updated. No, it's taking time. Let us refresh the page once. So once I refresh the page, Anupam, I think this will get working and it's getting loaded. You can see that over here. So the only aspect of this particular programming is you can see that I am using one platform ka program on some other platform, that is Google Teachable Machine ka program on Scratch. This is very rare and it doesn't happen that easily, Vihan, and that's why we are doing this. So I want you to open all these things one by one right after the session and learn to do it. And the CQ test might also comprise of this question. Now, as of now, let me click on Teachable Machine. And here, when I click over here on the paste URL, I paste the URL. And we know what is the first step. I need to drag and drop use model. I need to click on control events, basically. And under event section, you will have when flag is clicked. Come on, come on. Why are we getting stuck? Okay, here we go. And when we go to Teachable Machine, did it get loaded? Absolutely, it got loaded. Okay. Move right, move left is the only thing that's coming. I'm surprised. Why is it not getting updated? Export model. Your cloud model is up to date. Correct. We copied the link. And when we copied the link, we went to this place. I pasted the link over there. And after clicking it, I'm not able to see up and down. Why? Move right, move left. ये तो पोपट हो गया रे मेरा. Why does it happen like this? Okay. I think I need to go back to curriculum. Let's close this and start again. I go. One last attempt. अगर अभी हुआ तो हुआ. नहीं हुआ तो we need to check again. Maybe I need to use it once more. Okay. Guys, do not spam. Do not spam. Okay, I know Roblox. Yes. Okay, let's see this. And this time I wanted to work. I would request the computer G, please is bar work ho jao. I click here, I put the model over here. I click over here. I hope it gets loaded up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tick mark. Nahi aaya. That's great. Move right. We are not getting that option. Move right, move left to mil gaya. I do not know, for some reason I'm not getting the up and down. Okay, let us try the program and then figure out if it's working or not. If I come over here, I put the prediction is right, then we go to the motion and I say that it has to move 10 steps. I duplicate the same thing. I come and place it over here and I make it move left and I say minus 10 steps and I duplicate it again. No, I click on move left. No, I'm not getting any option. So I think there is some error that I'm doing. I'm not sure. I don't want to waste further time on this. I want to request the children out there to try this. The model has got all the 4 areas. Let me close this. The 4 areas of move up and move down, but still all of these things are not getting, loaded over here for some reason. Now, when I click this, enable this, I hope it works. Okay, right and left is working. Right again. Okay, up down is not working. No, up down is not working. Some reason it's not working. It cannot work. Chalo, that's it. So this is what I wanted to explain everyone. Quickly, without further delay, I'll quickly recap this. Everybody watch this very carefully. Some students were not knowing. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to Google Teachable Machine. So once you go to Google Teachable Machine, you will get this link called as teachablemachine.google.com, and it gets loaded something like this. Now, once that gets loaded up, I'm just closing this. Okay, so once that gets loaded up like this, you need to click on get started. Now, when you click on get started, okay, me and me plus dog is just an example. You will, the moment you click on get started, you need to click on image model, which will be present right over here, image project. Click on image project and you'll get standard image project. Some students said that you were able to see post, some students said that you were able to see audio, but image is also present over here. Click on standard image model. Now, once you do that, you will have class 1 and class 2. You can just edit it, whatever you want. It could be right, left, happy, sad, angry and peaceful, whatever you want. Once you type that, you click on train model by adding some examples, and then you can preview your model. And once the preview is done, you can click on export model, and you'll get a screen wherein you will have this option of upload to my cloud. The moment you click on upload to my cloud, you'll get a link like this. Copy that link and keep it with you. In the meanwhile, you go to Google again and type Google Teachable Machine with Scratch. You'll get another link called as Arrays AI Playground or else media.mit.edu. The moment you open that, this particular website gets loaded, wherein you will have a little below Teachable Machine English. The moment you click on that, another version of Scratch gets opened up, which looks something like this. It is very much like Scratch only. It's just that it has got another plugin called as Teachable Machine, which is not present on the actual Scratch. So the moment it comes over here, this is how it looks like. Click on extensions and click on Teachable Machine. There'll be a place where you can paste the URL, which is something like this. And I go over here, I click on Teachable Machine, and I go to Teachable Machine over here at the bottom, and you can paste the URL over here and you can click on it. The moment you click on it, this exclamation mark will get converted to a tick mark, and the program of Teachable Machine will come and get loaded over here. That's it. So once that is done, you can program it the way you want. Let me stop share the screen for a moment. I hope everybody got an idea now, like how to use Google Teachable Machine on Scratch. So once you use machine learning models on Google Teachable Machine, this can be considered as a more of a AI program. And I want everybody to start doing it. And trust me, you'll have a lot of fun activities related to AI through all these platforms. Okay. So look, coming to the last part of the sessions, children, suppose if anybody's interested to join for coding classes, you know what to do. I've been telling this every day, and today also I would like to repeat it. You need to go to superteacher.in website, which looks something like this. And after going over there, you need to click on coding section. If anybody's interested to learn coding, please clicking on book a demo. Now, once you click on book a demo, you will get to see one option of writing your name and all the details. And I'll receive an SMS that somebody like Shaivi or Kashish is trying to join. And I'll contact you for your availability to talk about what will be covered in the class. The price details, everything is mentioned in the website itself. There'll be only two modes of execution. One will be one-on-one session, one-to-one. Another will be 1-to-3. That means 3 people will be present in the class, or only one person will be present. So depending on that, the pricing is mentioned over here. So before the registration, you can directly click on book a demo so that we talk, and then I give you some discounts if possible, and we can work on it. And this is going to be discounts are applicable only for the students who are present on Code India Code with a code called a CIC10, which I'll tell even during the demo class. So this is with respect to the coding classes. You can talk to your parents. Finally, right after this session, which is going to close right now, you will get to have one link. Now that particular link is your exam for coding quotient. I told you, right? Right in the beginning that you'll have an exam today, and this exam result, the report will give you an idea of what you could become in the future. If it's a game development, if you are becoming an app developer or a software engineer or whatever it is. So this will give you a very good perspective of computer science, and the questions are really interesting. Will that be fine? You need to complete all these answers. The question paper needs to be completed by today is 28, so it's I think the Monday is the time. So 30 January 6 p.m. is the time given to you to complete that particular test. 30 January 6 p.m. You will be receiving the link either on your WhatsApp or on your computer, or sorry, email. No, I cannot send the link over here as of now. I'll be sending only to your mail IDs and the phone numbers. Okay. So that's it from my side, students. I hope everybody understood a little bit of AI. I am not able to talk to individual children to quite a large extent because of, a YouTube live session that's happening right now. I'll be definitely able to do. If anybody has any queries, you can contact me on my number, which is present on my website, or else you can come and see Super Teacher official channel, where you'll have a lot of my videos related to computing and things like that. People who click on book a demo. No. Exam is not for the people who click on book a demo. Book a demo is different. Exam is for everyone. Yes. And you'll receive your certificates based on that. Okay, that's it from my side, students. Great interacting with one and all. I would like to see you in another season of Code India Code. All the students, I would like to appreciate you for joining on a daily basis. It was fantastic talking to one another. So before leaving, exam will be, the link will be given tonight, and you can complete it by 30th January. So one last time, let me allow you all to unmute and say bye before you leave.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye,
bye,
sir.
bye, 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 sir.
Bye.
Demo class.
Bye, sir.
Okay, now it's going to be pin drop silence. Okay, done. So students, if you click on book a demo class, you will get to meet me to know more about the coding classes. The first thing, this exam has got nothing to do with book a demo class. Exam you will receive in the form of a link. It's a Google form link that you'll be receiving either on WhatsApp or on your email ID. I'm just repeating it once more. Do not spam. Who's this? Tanish. Tanish. Do not spam. Okay. Bye everyone, students. Yeah, the due date is 30th Jan. Before 6 p.m. you need to complete. After that, the responses will not be accepted. Yeah, I'll send a personalized report to each and every mail ID and the phone number, which will give you the complete understanding of what areas you're talented in. Chalo, bye everyone. I would like to close the session right away. Bye bye.